Hi there, fifth graders. This is Dr. Weber, and I'm back again for our March Student of the Month. This month, our character trait was strive to care for others, synergize. Teachers were looking for students who value other people's strength and learn from them. They get along well with others, even people who are different from them. They work well in groups and seek out other people's ideas to solve problems because they know that by teaming with others, they can create better solutions than on their own. And students that are humble. Who is that in fifth grade? Let's find out. In Ms. Montesano's class, we have Caleb. And Ms. Montesano said, I chose Caleb because he has been working really hard to improve his grades. He also gets along with everyone and never has issues with anyone else. He never argues and works with anyone I pair him with. He doesn't copy partner work, but discusses different answers. He challenges his partners and congratulates them on correct answers. Awesome job, Caleb. Keep it up. Next, I have Olivia from Miss Johnson's class. And Miss Johnson said, Olivia is a very bright and intelligent student who works well both independently and in groups with other students. Olivia is quiet, insightful, and will tastefully help other students understand concepts using domain-specific vocabulary. Olivia loves to help her fellow classmates learn various skills and strategies. She always checks with the teacher to ensure her work is accurate. Awesome job, Olivia. We are so proud of you. Then I have Tori in Miss Fitzsimmons' class, and Miss Fitzsimmons said, Tori is our student of the month because she gets along with everyone and listens to what her peers think. When working with a peer, she seeks out others' ideas and opinions. Even though Tori might not always agree with her peers, she is open to hearing what they have to say. She is also very humble, respectful, and grateful. Tori is a role model to her peers. Way to go, Tori. I am very proud of you. Excellent work, Tori. And then in Dr. Iris's class, I have Malika. And Dr. Iris said, Malika is an amazing person in all areas. She works well with others and is a kind and respectful person. She is always looking for the best in every situation. She listens and is considerate of others' ideas and feelings, while not letting others influence her ideas or change her positive behavior. Malika works hard to get good grades and is a fantastic student. She is a member of our school's news crew and does an outstanding job on camera. Malika is very quiet, humble, always strives to be the best she can. She can do anything she puts her mind to. Congratulations, Malika. Keep up the fantastic work. Excellent job, Malika, and excellent job to all of our fifth graders this month. We are so proud of you. Continue doing such great things. I can't wait to see who we choose for the month of April. Bye.